Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Scano from CIT 365 and this is my Lds Movie Web application using MVC pattern. And this application allows to create, edit, delete and view the details of each movie. I'm going to show you how this application works. First, I want to show you the create new link. On this page, I can create a new movie. For example, the other side, the heaven, the rating, the date, the genre, and the price. Okay, and here I have some validation that the field price must be between 1 and 100. If I click create, here I have a new movie that I have created. Now I can view the details. Back to list, I can edit a new movie. I can delete the movies, and if I click on delete, I will receive a message that to make sure that we are sure that we want to delete the movie. If I click delete, the movie was deleted. This application also has some sort process. For example, if I want to sort by title, I just have to click on the title. I can sort by date of release. Okay, to show you that this is working well, I can create a new movie. With a previous date. And if I click on date of release, now the sorting process is working very well. And okay, this is my application, and I can filter by genre, and the filter is working well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.